macOS Sequoia and iOS 18 both are out. It's been 2 days I'm using and I must say it's a game changing. Apple have introduced lots of new feature and some of which I would like to share with you and some tips and tricks. So come on, let's see. So let's start with the most loved feature, which is iPhone mirroring. Now we can mirror our iPhone and work directly. But what if you have two iPhones, just like me, one for work and one for personal, and you want to mirror the other iPhone? How you can do that? To change your iPhone mirroring, let's go to System, scroll down to Desktop and Dock, and let's scroll a little bit and you'll find under Widget your iPhone. So I'm selecting my work one and let's see what happens. Tap on Connect. And yeah, it's connecting to my work iPhone. Yeah, simple. Currently, Apple only supporting one mirroring. Maybe in future they will support on multiple phones at the same time. But we have to wait for that. The second feature, a most loved one, which I personally like as well, is presentation overlay. So as a start of the video, you have seen a desktop behind me. Now you can do that very easily. How? You have to start your video first and click on this option. Now you'll see a presentation overlay. You get two more options. So I've selected a large, and here you get option to just stretch. So now the whole desktop is behind me and it's like I'm presenting, and we can move it to small. It will create a something like this. If you're a YouTuber or creator, this is really a game-changing feature for you inbuilt. Now a bonus tip. But before that, don't forget to hit a like button and subscribe to our channel. So you might have noticed your storage is a bit of increased after iOS 18 update. So not just because of the update, but because of the cache. So how you can clear the cache? So take your iPhone, press the power up button once, press the power down button once, and hold the power button. And just simply switch off. And once you restart, you'll see a significant storage changes. One more thing I would like to share with you. If you're a developer just like me and uses Xcode for your development, I would recommend you not to install Sequoia so quickly because Xcode, which comes with the Sequoia, is having some trouble just because of the predictive text. Follow for more.